Welcome to Metallurgy Works Pro, where metal meets mastery. If you're passionate about foundry work, heat treatment, and precision machining, you're in the right place. From the fiery heart of the furnace to the final polished product, our videos deliver hands-on demos, expert tips, and in-depth tutorials to help you understand and master every step of the metalworking process. Today, we're diving deep into the brutal, powerful world of heavy press forging, where steel gets crushed into shape under thousands of tons of pressure. This is the stuff that builds airplanes, power plants, and the machines that build machines. Let's get started. What is forging? Forging is one of the oldest metalworking techniques in history. Simply put, forging is the process of shaping metal using compressive force. But when we scale up to heavy press forging, we're talking about forces ranging from 1,000 to 50,000 tons, enough to flatten a truck in a blink. Unlike hammer forging, where the impact is repeated, press forging uses a steady, controlled pressure. This results in stronger, more precise parts with refined grain structure. Think crankshafts, aircraft landing gears, or massive turbine blades. Inside the heavy press machine, a heavy press machine is no joke. These hydraulic beasts operate vertically and apply gradual, controlled force. Some of the world's largest forging presses, like the 50,000-ton Alcoa press in the USA, stand over 80 feet tall and weigh thousands of tons. They consist of hydraulic cylinders that generate force, upper and lower dies where the workpiece is placed, and massive frames made of forged or cast steel to resist deflection, and advanced controls for programmable forging sequences. Forging process explained. Here's how it works. 1. Heating. The metal, usually a billet, is heated to 1,000 to 1,250 degrees Celsius, depending on the material. 2. Positioning. The billet is placed into a die. 3. Pressing. The upper die descends, compressing the billet into shape. 4. Flash removal. Excess metal is trimmed off. 5. Heat treatment and finishing. This step enhances the mechanical properties. This process improves metal integrity, aligns grain flow, and increases fatigue strength. Types of press forging. Open die press forging. Ideal for large components. There are no enclosures, so the metal is shaped freely. A closed die forging, also known as impression die, the metal fills a mold. This is perfect for precise parts like gears or connecting rods. A isothermal forging. The temperature is maintained throughout the die and the workpiece. It's commonly used in aerospace manufacturing. Applications. Heavy press forging is critical in many industries. Aerospace, jet engine discs, landing gear, turbine shafts. Automotive, truck axles, crankshafts, and more. Defense, armor plating and missile components. Energy, nuclear reactor parts and hydro turbines. From jet engines to submarines, heavy press forging shapes the core of our modern world. It's raw power, forged into precision. Thanks for watching Metallurgy Works Pro, where metal meets mastery. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for weekly deep dives into the world of metallurgy and metalworking. From foundry floors to finishing touches, we've got you covered with expert insights, hands-on demos, and industrial tips. Don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss a spark of knowledge. Until next time, stay sharp, stay molten, and keep mastering the metal with Metallurgy Works Pro.